In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set smart content for CTAs in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot webpage and go over to the marketing and then look in here for the option called lead capture. If you can't find it, you can click onto the search bar and search right here for lead capture, or you can also just directly search for CTAs. So here we have this create smart CTAs for this case. So let's head over and click on this. Typically, creating a CTA involves going over to your marketing and then clicking CTA on there. And from in there, you can create the smart version by clicking on the actions. However, in some cases, the CTA is unavailable on HubSpot. This is because it's only available on certain plan tiers, which is the one that has already been subscribed and paying customers. So do take note of that as well. But if you want to create it and you've already subscribed, just click on the marketing, click on CTAs, and click on the create smart version from there. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.